Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our AFG channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of NFTs and exploring a groundbreaking solution that's set to redefine the landscape. I'm Shisa, and in this video, we're unlocking the future of NFTs with Frame's Ethereum Layer 2 solution. Let's get started. In the ever-evolving world of blockchain and NFTs, innovation is the key to unlocking new possibilities. Enter Frame, an Ethereum Layer 2 solution meticulously engineered to catalyze the expansion of NFT usage throughout the Ethereum network. Frame, empowering NFT usage on Ethereum. Frame is not just a solution, it's a holistic approach to enhancing the NFT ecosystem on Ethereum. Crafted as a Layer 2 solution, Frame empowers creators and collectors alike by elevating NFT functionality across the Ethereum network. What sets Frame apart is its focus on compatibility, seamlessly integrating with the Ethereum Virtual Machine EVM. This ensures a smooth and familiar experience for users, whether you're using MetaMask, Foundry, Hardhat, or other popular Ethereum tools. Showcasing compatibility with MetaMask and other tools. Now, let's talk about the Frame framework itself. It's more than just a technical solution, it's a game changer for creators and collectors. Tailored to streamline processes and improve the overall user experience, Frame addresses scalability concerns by leveraging Layer 2 technology. This brings efficiency to NFT transactions on the Ethereum network, creating a more seamless and enjoyable experience for users. Frame token reward for NFT traders. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Frame introduces the Frame Token Reward Program, specifically for the vibrant community of NFT traders on Ethereum. If you've been actively trading NFTs and paying royalties in the past 2 years, you are eligible for a Frame Token Reward. This not only recognizes your contributions but also adds an exciting dimension to the NFT ecosystem. Showcasing Frame token graphics. Now, you might be wondering, how can I claim my Frame token reward? Well, fret not. I've got a step-by-step guide for you. How to claim your Frame token reward, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit Frame's Airdrop page and connect your wallet. This ensures a secure and seamless interaction with the Frame platform. Step 2. Follow Frame's X page. Stay updated on the latest developments and announcements from the Frame community by hitting that follow button. Step 3. Check your stats on Frame's Airdrop page and link your X account. This step is crucial to validating your eligibility for the Frame token reward. Step 4. Share your stats on your X account. Engage with the community by adding a personal touch to your Frame journey. Step 5. Mark your calendar. Check back on January 31st. That's when the culmination of this exciting journey happens. Be sure to claim your well-deserved Frame token reward. Join the Frame revolution. In conclusion, Frame is not just a solution, it's a revolution in the world of Ethereum NFTs. With its Layer 2 architecture, compatibility with existing tools, and the innovative Frame token reward program, Frame is poised to redefine the NFT experience. Don't miss your chance to be a part of this transformative journey. Follow the steps, connect with the Frame community, and get ready to claim your Frame token reward on January 31st. The future of NFTs on Ethereum has never looked more promising, thanks to Frame. If you're as excited as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more blockchain updates, and let's dive into the future together. I'll see you in the next one.